Hi all, welcome back. So the other weekend I had been to my parents' house and this video is about that. All of us were getting together after a long time. So my parents decided to keep a barbecue party. Well, kids are the happiest whenever we are at grandparents' house because they are so pampered here. They meet cousins who turn out to be friends for life, and needless to say, they have a very jolly time here. My parents are very simple people. All their life has been about kids, and now it is also about their grandkids. Whenever we go to our parents' place, both of them are so keen in preparing elaborate dishes and making sure each of us have a great time. So my father started preparing for the barbecue the previous day itself, from getting all of the ingredients to chopping, slicing, prepping everything, and taking care of all of the small details also. He did everything and he was so happy while doing it. So my father got this chopper from Russell Market. He also bought the bell peppers and paprika from Russell Market. From Russell Market you can find so many varieties of exotic vegetables for salads and spices like paprika, oregano, everything. Whichever you cannot find it easily anywhere else, you can find it in Russell Market. So for this Turkish Adana kebab, which was the specialty of the barbecue party, we are going to chop everything finely and then remove the moisture content of everything very nicely. Even coriander leaves, even onion and bell pepper. Whichever ingredient is wet, you have to remove the moisture content nicely. So this will ensure that the kebabs hold on to their shape and they don't break easily. As you can see, these are coriander leaves and we have removed the moisture content of them after chopping them nicely. So this is the recipe of Turkish Adana kebab. This is Sheikh kebab, and for this we are going to take minced meat for the ratio 80:20, that it's 80% meat and 20% fat. Onions, again the moisture content of chopped onions is nicely removed. 1 bell pepper, the moisture content of the bell pepper is nicely removed. 5 paprika, around 2 tablespoons dried red chili and 2 tablespoons pomegranate powder. So this recipe is for 3 kg minced meat. I am going to write the recipe for 1 kg minced meat along with equal measure of ingredients. Do check my description box. So as I told you earlier, the spices is very mild. This is a very mildly spiced kebab, very unique in taste. Have it along with any ketchup or sauce or any dip and you will thoroughly enjoy this recipe, I tell you. It is very juicy, has a very unique flavor to it. So I'm also going to add garlic paste, black pepper powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Also going to add salt to taste. So these are the ingredients and this is the method. I'm going to share the exact quantity of the ingredients for 1 kg minced meat in my description box. So it is advisable to marinate this kebab as long as possible. I would suggest 4 hours, but at least marinate it for half hour. The more you marinate it, the more tastier it is going to be. It is a very juicy kebab with all the perfect textures. It is not spicy at all. As you can see, very little spices are used. Along with this, my father had also prepared malai chicken tikka boti. I think I have shared the recipe of it in my previous video. And now you can just make the shape of sheikh kebab and fry it on tawa. As I told you, we grilled it on barbecue, but you can also fry it on tawa, adding a little bit of oil, and they'll turn out very yummy. Now in my mom's place, it's a teamwork when it comes to preparing meals and doing the household work. So my sister prepared the dal. Here I am tempering the dal. My father marinated the kebab. I am going to fry the kebabs along with tempering the dal. My mother had already prepared the rice. So my style of cooking is similar to my mom's style of cooking. My mom is a very great chef. She prepares 10 to 15 varieties of biryani, all equally delicious, like white biryani, kebab biryani, boneless chicken biryani, mandi biryani, Afghan biryani. She prepares so many varieties of biryani, all equally delicious. Both my parents are foodies and both of them are my inspiration. My father had already marinated the kebab and I am going to fry them. This is veal kebab, boneless beef kebab. Because of the proper marination, the beef was very tender and it was very juicy. So the lunch today was dal with kebab and rice. Later in the evening, it was time to barbecue. My father and my brother took over the grilling and we sat back and enjoyed. Alhamdulillah, everything was very delicious. The meat was very tender, chicken and the kebabs both were very delicious. It was a very beautiful evening. So usually your very beautiful memories are the ones you spend with the ones you love the most. So this evening was one such. One of the reasons why I started vlogging is so that these videos will be there on my channel. And whenever I wish to look back, I can always look back at these videos and relive those moments. Alhamdulillah, family is the biggest blessing, and I wish for the safety of each one of them. I also pray that whoever is watching this video is also blessed with the happiness of family and blessed with the blessing of safety and health. This is my youngest nephew, Arham. He is the cutest baby I've seen in my life, mashallah. And I would say he's the apple of everyone's eye. Please say mashallah. At around 10:30 we finished the grilling. And later we drove back home. Every time I come from my mother's place, the ride back home is a little emotional. The next day it is back to routine. And so this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.